I'm breaking up with you.
You're so funny.
I'm serious. I'm sorry.
No thanks.
What? We are done.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah?
Let me spell it out for you. N-O-P-E. No, we ain't breaking up. What are you not getting? You think I'd let you go? Me? Letting you go? Are you crazy? I need you. You ain't going nowhere. Period. You are irreplaceable. It ain't a person alive more gorgeous than you. Are you mad at me? Then I'm sorry. Whatever I did, I'm sorry. Did I forget about something? I'm sorry. Have I not been giving you enough attention? I'm sorry. I'll make it up to you, cause we ain't breaking up. Nuh-uh. 0% chance that's happening.
I'm sorry. But I'm tired of you.
Then take a nap. I am too much in love with you. You're way too perfect. No way we're breaking up. Nope.
I don't feel happy anymore.
Then I'll do whatever it takes to make you happy. That's the job I want. Full-time, part-time. I want to be good at it, bad at it. I want to get promoted, fired, corner office, hostile takeover, workplace accident. I'm on my knees, Kayla, praying, worshiping, begging, whatever you want. I'll do it because I can't survive without you, without your smile, lips, laugh, vertical lips. It wouldn't be possible. You're the best thing that's ever happened to me. And we ain't breaking up. You're not leaving me. You ain't leaving. End of discussion.